Gen X. Now, Gen X, these are individuals born between the years of 1965 to 1980. And I do understand that there is some overlap when it comes to that gap in between the years. But when it comes to Gen X, this is when people became a lot more independent. As a matter of fact, they were known as what we call latchkey kids because this was one of the first generations where kids would come home from school to an empty house because both parents were actually working. And so this translated over to when they became adults and started working. Many of them became a lot more independent. They could work in freedom. They didn't need constant supervision. And so this group also remembers the time before the internet. They knew what it was like to not have any kind of tech, maybe a video game or two, but they knew what it was like when the internet first hit the scene. And so these individuals also, they like fewer meetings and they like shorter responses because they got used to tech and so they can text and things of that nature. So there's some overlap, but there was a change when it came to Gen X. One interesting thing about Gen X though, they're extremely valuable because they can speak really well to the older generation as well as the younger generation because they're accustomed to dealing with both. But then we move